Alright you guys, so I made it inside Homegoods right here. I'm pretty sure we've seen a lot of this before, but you're gonna find your flamingo. Ooh, okay, this is cool. Let me get to it. $15. Look at that. The larger ones are $17. Yeah, usually like the large ones and small ones together. If you see a large one, it's usually like $1 more or $2. We have the cups here. Picnic basket. So I see a price on it, $49 and $99, so $50. I wish these were glass though. Especially this one. And that'd be really nice with glass. Let's see. This one is. Yeah, that's the glass one. It's really nice. It is crowded, very crowded in this location. So if you see me moving around, sorry. But look at this water mat right there. That's crazy. It's $250. Jones Soda. Root beer. Has the silicone ones. Okay, so if you get drunk and tipsy, don't worry about if it breaks. Berry spritzer. And on this side, turn around slowly for you. Really colorful flamingo trio is $15. Ooh, look at this tie-dye, like tie-dye-ish bowl. That's cool looking. $2.99. And these orange cups are $2.99. I like this color. I do. Ooh. So I found a peach one. Normally it's like strawberry and cherry. This is by CNC California. And it's going to be only $10. Kate Spade in the polka dot. You get 2 of those. Of course, wine. This is glass. It says glass on it. So $17. I wonder why they have it here. Don't tell me they mixed them up. That'd be tricky. This is cute. By Cupcake and Cashmere. This one is $10 as well. I like this color right here. Ooh, in the green. $29.99. Another picnic one. And this way, I see the 4th of July or Memorial Day, because I do know it's coming up too. But I mean, I feel like people confuse Veterans Day and Memorial Day. Here's a Hurley. Is this a blanket? No. Yeah. A packable one. Oh, this is very lightweight. It's a lightweight one. It's not going to be heavy. You know how sometimes they're heavy because they're waterproof? Water resistant bottom. Yeah. This is $12.99, so $13. Well done, Dad. Like a grilling one. Here's a grilling set. Stone scrubber, scraper, and the boat. $12.99. And then more 4th of July. It's a donut. Nutcrackers are still around. Oh. You know what I didn't really see this year? Cinco de Mayo stuff. Normally they'll try to put like a little table together. I guess all the drinks. They got the chips. Life is good over there. A little bowling, lawn bowling set. 4 in a row. These are only $20. Paddleball set is $15. Ooh, look at this larger tray here though. This large tray is $25. And then I have nothing but food next to me. Let's keep going. This could be for Dad. Looks like coffee, 2 mugs. And a coffee sifter. This is all gonna be lemon. So there's blue rose. This is $5 here. Yeah, this is all lemon decor.
I need customer assistance to answer.
These are $2.99. Those are 15. Then everything over there was like the same tea set, like the flower ones with the spoons. They just have so much of it. Well, these are new mushrooms. I don't think I've seen this bowl here. Okay, white dishes.
Susan, the handbags, please. Thank you.
$17. It's actually kind of nice. I want to see what this one in the back looks like. Let me get to this one. Ooh, look at the blue butterfly. 7. This is 4. And the larger one. Just make sure. Ouch. This one's actually quite heavy. $12.99. Alright. I don't know why they put it on that. They have the checker plate too.
They want you
This
to
is
break
cute.
it so they put something else out.
Yeah, they don't want me to break it. Dad, more dad, and this gold. Let me try to get to the checkered plate so I could tell you at least. Oh, you know what? These are 5. The checkered plate is 5. Oh gosh, ladybug, strawberry over there. We have the ice cream one. Popcorn. You get 2 in there. Those are very done. This one's gonna be 5. And 15 on top. They have the bowl. Let's see. These are $4. Ooh, that's cute too. Right? 5. 5 for the bowl. And 15 for the small one. Let's just keep moving. Okay, on this end cap, a lot of candles. Look at this one. This one is 10. These are so cool looking to me. So cool. And I look, ooh. So in a different location, I saw a blue one. This one is only 17. I like them. I like the big ones. Sugared citrus. Okay. A lot of candles. This one's coconut at the bottom. What's this? Pineapple? Let me get down here. Hand poured. They are 15. They have a green one. I was thinking they would be like LED. Rainforest jasmine. Coconut. This one smells really good. All the large citronella ones are gone. They had like these really large, beautiful ones for citronella. Oh, so lovely. They're sold. They're gone. Mac Studio, $5.99. I could go in a room. Rachel Zoe in the back is 7. Is that corn on the cob? $5.99. How funny.
It smells like corn.
No.
It does. It's all like
No.
corn.
Ugh, I like this one. Cactus Blossom. This is a citronella one. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, there's another one. I like the large ones. 20. cactus. Let me see. Smells good. Then here's another one. That's 20. Another citronella one. Ooh, it smells good.
Smells very nasty caramel.
And that's 15. Here's a round ball. Sand and fog, sun wash, citrus, $8. Beach party here is 10. Pineapple coconut. Oh gosh. When I see stuff like that, it makes me want to go on vacation.
Somebody want to bankroll us a vacation?
Here's a cherry one here. This is $10. Sunbathing in Bali. Maybe I should sell an ebook. I feel like people who do that, and actually no, those are no, I'm not gonna say scammers.
They're scams.
But you know, when you see on social media, guys, where they talk about like, I could sell you this and that, they make money by you viewing their video like 20 times. Like, I made 10K in a month. Okay, I'm like, yeah, okay.
And here's how.
7.
First you make a video and you post it on YouTube.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
or any social media platform. But
Subscribe to hear more. Yeah.
so like, I don't know. I watched a video of a girl calling those people out. It was quite funny because it's true. Peanuts, where they try to sell you like a coaching thing or something. I mean, some could be legit. Ooh, that. What do you think? That's a person, right? Oh my gosh, there's this guy on the TikTok. I don't know the name. If I knew the name, I would tell you. He is a. There's a name for them, where they carve out a stone.
A mason.
Stonemason.
A mason.
Yeah. And he's like this young guy, and I was watching him. I came upon a video, and he took like real marble and chiseled, and he showed like his finished product. It was just so freaking cool. Like, that is awesome. I don't know. It was like really fascinating. Okay. These are here. Oh, here we go. Let me walk around here. Okay, more candles. That's the orange one. I like this vase right here. There's no price on this vase. I kept looking under it, but there's nothing. Then on top, that's kind of cool looking, I think, right? I like stuff like this. And I love watching them make it too. Drink better beer. Look at this Dairy Queen cart. How funny. Strawberry pillow. These are $40. Wow, this is like the most expensive one I've seen on the pillows. Who makes it? Casa del Sol. I feel like a lot of this has been the same. $40 for like that coat rack, would you want to say, with the butterflies on it? Oh, here's a pine. This is so cute. $50. That's really cute. Okay, cute cherry throw. This one's adorable. These are $25. DKNY Nicole Miller. There's a lot of Barbie here. These Barbies are $17. Martha Stewart comforter, $70. These blue pillows are $29.99, so $30. Same over here, $29.99. I wish I could pull some of these out. Some of these look like they have nice graphics. Looks like a Jaguar. This is a king. I kind of like this print. I'm into a little printed in white. I love white. But with my dog, with his paws trying to jump on my bed. He's not allowed. But you know, they try. And that's a no, because you know, he does stuff in his own pee. I was like, come on. And when we go walking, like, dude. Okay, look at this mirror right here, 300 on top. I want to see if there's good artwork here. I haven't found a good Homegoods with good artwork. This is 100. And $70 on top. This one is $59.99.
HomeGoods to the front for a carry out.
This is 50.
Deal to services, please. John, carry out, please. Thank you.
80. And let me swing by the bathroom decor. This Laura Ashley one is 70. Did I tell you this already? This is for a full queen. I can't find a king though. These blue pillows, they're kind of nice. Made in Portugal. Those are $29.99. Oh, here's all the quotes. It's a 3-piece set. I don't see the price on this one. It's $59.99. And these pillows I did share in a short. Oh, that have vampire teeth? Are you ready? We're ready. The only thing is, I really want to see new stuff. Not the same stuff. Last year was kind of a dud. And my area, no matter where area I went, I could drive across town. 25. It comes with a lip pillow. I felt like it was the same stuff.
Customer carry out, customer service.
And there was really nothing that made me think, oh, I need that.
Customer service.
I think I might buy some animatronics this year though. I was talking about that the other day. And $29.99, this is a Martha Stewart one, strawberry. We have plenty of Snoopy. These are $17 in the back. This blue one, okay. Here's another one. It's cute. These might be candles. Are these candles? Yeah, these are going to be rose candles. The Hello Kitty is still here. And this is it from HomeGoods, you guys. They're all towels. The cute bee one, bee washcloth or towels are $15. $150 right here. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. These are fake marble. And I will see all of you in the next one. The DKNY is like plastic. And the Barbie ones, yeah, same Barbie stuff. This is all hooks. $15, it looks like on some of them.